Hey everyone, and welcome to Akash Byju's. This, as you know, is a very special year for us. We have got the top three All India rank 1, 1, and 1 this year at the NEET 2021. And I am today here with one of those three toppers, Tanmay Gupta. Let me introduce you quickly to him. Hey Tanmay,
Hello, ma'am.
and welcome to Akash Byju's.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, by the way, on your score. Super huge achievement. How do you feel about it?
It's actually an amazing feeling. So, very difficult to express in words, but I'm feeling great.
Super. So today, not only are we proud of Tanmay and happy to be with him, we also want you to meet him and learn from him so that whatever he's done and that whatever's helped him to reach here, hopefully that'll help you too. So let me quickly ask Tanmay a little bit about his preparation strategies. Tanmay, talk about what did you do? When did you actually start preparing for the NEET?
Actually, for NEET exam, I started preparing in 11th standard. So, there were 2 years of preparation, 11th and 12th. So, in 11th, I joined Akash Institute, and that was when my preparation started.
Okay, so talk about you're joining Akash, and then after that, what did you actually do in those 2 years that was so special that our students at the other end can learn from?
So what I did was I maintained my consistency throughout. So if I used to study for 4-5 hours, I used to do that throughout the 2 years. So Akash really helped in that. The teachers were helpful, and I think the consistency was the key in this.
I so totally want to reiterate that. Many of us think that it's about pulling out this all nighter or studying, 18 hours a day. But Tanmay says that if I did 4 5 hours a day, I just made sure I did that every single day. Tell us something else about, which resources you used or any particular timetable that you followed. Talk to us about your study methodology.
So there were only mainly NCRT books and Akash modules for the questions. No extra book was there for the text. Maybe I bought some books for question practice, but nothing extra. The timetable I used to decide every day in the morning. I used to wake up and decide that yes, I have to do these chapters today, and I used to complete it before I went to sleep. So that was the pattern.
Okay, so you would not sleep till you finish that plan for the day, is it?
Actually, I kept the target in the amount that I would complete well before the time, so that I get time for my hobbies also.
Okay, time for hobbies. We've heard this before from Rinal as well. Time for hobbies, very important. Balanced life, setting yourself a daily target and just making sure you meet that. Small steps every day, not trying to climb the entire mountain in one day, right? Tell me, which of the three subjects was your favorite?
Actually, there were two. Best I think was zoology. I liked it the most, and then followed by physics.
Followed by physics. Okay, so when you were studying, let's say, chemistry or botany, what did you have to do to motivate yourself?
Chemistry was actually a part of chemistry. The inorganic chemistry was the one which troubled me the most. Actually, it's mostly learning. So I used to revise it whenever I got time, and that was the thing I did in that. And botany, I didn't hate it, but it was not one of my favorite. But still, I did it.
Yeah, so what would you say to students that if one of the subjects is not their favorite, what advice would you want to give them?
So, if it's not your favorite, it may be your weak subject. So, keep separate time in the day for that subject. So, make a schedule in which you have 2 hours every day for that particular subject. You don't study anything else in that 2 hours. Study that and do it every day.
Just make sure you take that medicine pill every day, which is a subject that you don't love, but do it every day. Okay, Tanmay attended the classroom session of Akash Byju's, but at the end of year 11 is when the pandemic happened and it became an online session. So now let's talk to him about how that, from the classroom to online, how did that work for him? Tanmay, talk about that.
So the classroom program was completely throughout 11th class, and 12th there was suddenly a jump and we shifted online. So that was actually very difficult at first, but soon the institute also shifted online and the teachers were very cooperative. They gave their personal numbers and we used to ask doubt on the phone. So slowly and steadily I think we adapted to it.
Also, let's talk about this 720 on 720. Tell me, at what point did you think that you would? I know you can never expect a 720, but at what point did you think that you might be somewhere in the top few rankers?
That I expected only after the exam, not before it or not during the exam. Only after the exam, when I compared the answer key, that was when I knew that I was going to get a good rank. Rank 1 was not expected, but a good rank was expected after that.
Okay, so when you were doing your mock exams, for example, what kind of scores were you getting at that stage?
Actually, it increased from 11th, and in 12th they were higher. So when I started in 11th, it used to be around 600, 620, 630. In 12th, it reached 650, 660, and during the final exams, I think I was touching the 700 score quite often.
Fantastic. You know, there's one other question let's ask about sacrifice. A lot of people say that to do well in competitive exams, you need to give up something. So Tanmay, tell us, did you have to give up anything? And if so, what was that something that you had to give up?
Actually, not totally give up. Actually, I used to set the timetable in the morning, like I said, so everything was incorporated. I like to watch TV, I like to talk with my friends on the phone, so that everything I had time for it. I had time for 1 hour TV, half an hour talking, everything was incorporated in it. So, no, I didn't leave anything and I kept them along with my studies.
Fantastic. So he's this epitome of being balanced, saying, let's do everything, let's do the difficult pieces every day, let's make sure you complete your targets every day, and each day is going to add up at the end to give you whatever you desire. And finally, let's talk about his future. Tanmay, tell us, going forward, have you thought about any specialization that you want to pursue? Has that sort of thought crossed your mind?
Actually, that is not yet decided yet. So I think it's pretty premature to talk about the specialization. No, I have not decided it yet, and I'll surely decide it in an year or two.
And which medical college would you want to pick?
Of course, it would be AIMS Delhi.
Fantastic. So we wish all the best to Tanmay, and sometime down the line when you're looking for this rock star doctor, and I hope you never need that person, then you know where to find him. Thank you so much for being with us, Tanmay. Wish you all the luck. May you be this shining star forever. Thanks for being with us, and congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, and see you next time.